There's 3 reasons why your vacuum cleaner might lose power. Let's check them out. Causes is lack of suction. So we're going to check our hose and our filter area and our brush area to make sure there isn't any blockage. And then we're going to unblock those. I have none here. You guys have this type of thing, you know, you're not going to get too many blockage here, but if you guys have a hose and you have to just go outside, if I was you guys, to bang out any of the debris, and you still not able to get that, a good way to help with that is to soak your hose in warm water with a little bit of salt. So I have some blockage right here. I got to pull that. Can you see that?
Yeah, focus.
So I got definitely. Number 2 is our filters. When's the last time you guys had cleaned out your filter? It's been a while since I cleaned out mine, but it doesn't look too bad, but we're going to go ahead and clean it out. And then I'm going to try to wipe down inside there also. Come on. You want to use lukewarm water. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's nasty. This should be a regular clean, like weekly then.
Yeah, this should be like a monthly thing. Wash your filter. Just make sure you dry this, completely dry it before you use it again. I'm going to go stick mine outside into the sun to see if it'll help dry it faster. Okay. I'm going to grab my cleaning rag. This is all-purpose cleaner. I'm just going to spray it down, and I'm going to actually wipe down the inside of my container. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can be able to have some cleaning motivation and some cleaning tips. Number 3 is a jam brush, and so we're going to go ahead and clean out this. I'm going to use a butter knife to help unlock this. Brushes, you have an indent going down lengthwise on your brush head, and this is to guide your scissors down so then you do not cut any of your bristles. So it just helps you get the debris. So I'm going to use this to kind of, you see, cut this.
Oh my goodness,
You're just gonna pull it off like this. You don't want to yank it. You're just gonna easily pluck off all of the strings, and in our case we have a ton of hair and our bristles. So this is nice and clean here. Good. I like to take this little section off so I'm able to clean in here easily. So, there's a little fuzz there. I like to clean in this area too to help with the brush.
It's still dirty.
I'm just using all-purpose spray from Grove, wetting my rag as best as I can, and I'm just going to be going in and wiping as much as I can. I try to get as much as I can. I'm going to clean up this. Tightening. It's done. You want to make sure that your brush head is dry before you put it back together and use. I hope you guys enjoy these 3 tips why your vacuum cleaner might lose power. If it was helpful, please leave a comment to my channel, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I give out some cleaning motivations and some cleaning tips. And I'll see you guys next time. Say bye, Cable.